Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Biscoff brownies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into that mixing bowl place your butter, then place that into the microwave and melt it until it's fully melted. Once it's melted, you can then add in the cocoa powder, then whisk together until it's smoother and glossier. It should be very smooth and very glossy, that's what you're looking for, looking something like this. Once you've done that, you can then add in your sugar and whisk that in until it's fully incorporated. You will notice that the mixture becomes much more granular. This is completely normal, so don't worry, this is what you're looking for at this stage. Add in your eggs and vanilla, then whisk until it's fully incorporated. This will help the mixture become smooth and glossy again. You may think it's a lot of liquid to add, but it's not. Look, it becomes the perfect consistency that you're looking for. Then go ahead and add in your flour, salt, and your chocolate chips, and then just mix until everything is incorporated. Being careful not to over mix, as this will give the brownie a tougher texture, which is not what you're looking for. So I find it easier to fold it in by hand, but feel free to use a hand mixer if you would prefer to. Once you've got to this stage and there's no traces of any ingredients, you can then go ahead and grab yourself a 9x13 inch pan, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and pour all of that brownie batter into it, spreading and leveling it out as much as you possibly can. I only add around half of the mixture though, as we're going to layer it up, so add half, spread and level it out, and then you can go ahead and add in the Biscoff. So I'm just adding around about this much of the Biscoff, so I will leave the amount in the blog post, which is linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. Spread and level it out as best as you possibly can. It doesn't need to be perfect, but the better you do it now, the better it'll turn out later. You can always chill the layer in between adding layers. Believe me, it might work a bit easier. As you can tell, my Biscoff was too warm, but it doesn't really matter because we're going to add Biscoff biscuits on top. So I'm layering them like this, the long plain ones, just 3 in a row, and do that for the rest of the brownie. So completely the top of the brownie should be covered in that Biscoff layer. So don't forget that all the baking times, temperatures, and everything else you need will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested in making this recipe. So the following day, I let my brownies cool, and then I slice them up the next day because it's much easier to do so. So remove the paper from the brownies, and then just cut them into as many or as few pieces as you would like. I went with a various amount on this because I was just sharing these with friends and family, but feel free to cut these into the exact amount you need if you're making them for an occasion. But yeah, it's really up to you how many you want to make. And you can halve this recipe to make a half bag. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. And I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to more social medias. So don't forget to follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.